So this is the home page of the application which we have created for the instructors. This application name is Savvy. The tagline you can see here, it says that inspire the world and create more possibilities. So Savvy is the online learning system framework for the instructor where they can create modules, topics, they can give any name of that topic, they can upload files, PDFs, they can write questions, discussions, they can give assessment. There are different type of questions they can give for assignments and quiz, and they can see the grades of the students. So let's take a tour. So on this home page, we have two options, sign up page and login page. So if you are a new user and you are using the Savvy application first time, you need to go on sign up page by clicking over here. You need to enter your name, email ID and password. Then you need to hit the submit button. So let's take an example. Let's take a name, Dan, and Dan has email ID that says dan@gmail.com, and let's take a password and submit this. Now I want to log in, so I need to give. So here I need to give the same email IDs and password. Sorry, it's a typo. Okay, so password, and I need to log in. See, I'm then signed off Savvy. Here you can see the profile pic, you can see the name which I have given as Dan. You can click on help to get the contact details, address, but there is nothing right now. So yep, and this is a front page of Savvy application where user will get three options. One is courses. There they can see the list of courses which is assigned to this user ID. This user ID I have created just now, so it don't have any course assigned to this ID. There's a module where professors can create module, they can view module. In assessment, they can create assessment, they can view assessment, they can view grades. So let's go on the login page and log in with our ID which has course assigned to. So I want to go again on a login page. So let's go on a login page, and I'm going to log in with a name which I have already assigned the course names. So this is Pravati. Password, login. So you can see my name. So the course which is assigned to my ID is Operating System, Robotics, Software Engineering. The module, if I want to create some chapters inside any module, so how I will create that? Let's see. We will go on a create. Then user need to select any of the course which is assigned to that user ID. They need to give module name like PBMS. Then the topic name, SQL. They can give any URL detail if they want. Like, okay, for first example, we will take a URL from the internet. Okay. So this is what I'm going to take. So this is look like some definition. So I will take this URL. I will update here. Then I will hit, because I only want to update a URL. I need to hit the click button, and you can see URL is here. If professor or the student want to see this URL, they can hit the click on that URL, and will be open for them. Or if they want to delete it, they can delete it. I'll show you delete option later on. In the create module, the other option which we have, that is, let's create one other module with the name of SQL, and the topic name is chapter 1. And I don't want to give any URL this time. I want to upload a file. So I need to click on upload button. Here I can give anything. I can upload the Excel file, I can update the PDF files, I can update so I have already created some test file, so I'm going to upload that test file here. I hit the create button, and this is a second module with the name of SQL, and the chapter 1 is the topic name, and the contain is the text ID file. You can download by clicking over here. You can download this file, or you can hit the delete option to delete this one. Let me show you the delete option. It's gone. So if this is the module section where professor can come create the module, and they can upload any file, they can connect any URL, videos, anything they want to give for this as a study material to the student, they can provide over here. In the view module, you will have the option of course name. Any course name you can select over here. You can hit the get option. See, the module name which we have created, chapter 1, is here. If you want to add more topic in the same module, you can go add topics, and let's add something Oracle. And here I want to give again the test files. So I'm going to give the test file, not the URL, and topic created. You will get the pop-up. If you want to view this test file, you can go view module, operating systems, get module, chapter 1, then view module. So these two, one is the URL, one is the file which we have created right now. So this is all about the module section. The other section, the third section which we have, it's the assessment. In the assessment, if you go and click the create assessment, you will be on this page which says create assessment. In the create assessment page, you need to select any of the course which is assigned to that particular user ID. Then you need to select what assessment type you want to give to the students. You want to give any discussion, you want to give quiz, you want to give assignments. So let's go with the discussion. In the discussion, I need to give first the discussion topic. So let's give the discussion topic DBMS and OS. I need to give a due date as a professor when this assessment is due, until what time the student need to submit this discussion. So for that, now I need to give a question. Here we have this text area where we can give any question. So this question I'm going to submit. See, so this will go on a view page to give the instructor a look how the discussion will look like. So here we have the course name robotics, the discussion name DBMS, and the due date, which is here. And the question, what is the dialogue in the DBMS and OS? So here the student need to type any answer. Okay, test, anything they can type and submit. So let's go on a second topic. In the create assessment, if I want to give any assignment, I need to submit the course name. Let's take robotics and the assignments. Inside the robotics, I'm taking the course assessment type as assignment. I need to hit this button. You can see the course name which we have selected over in the last page, in the previous page. I need to give any assignment name. So database application, and I need to click and select the due date from the calendar. Here I can give any file. So I want to give this HTML Excel sheet which I have given. You can see the HTML sheet and the due date over here, the delete option, and if you want to add more file in the same assignment, you can add that. Whenever user want to click and download this file, they need to hit the click option over here, and this file will download for them. Oops. In the module, if I click on the create module, I'll select any of the course and then quiz. I need to hit create quiz option. In the create quiz option, I need to give the name of the quiz, like it's a midterm quiz. Then I need to give a due date. If I want to upload any file, I can upload that. This option I will explain later on. But if I want to go on a quiz and see the options which is available in this application, so you can see the course name over here, the quiz name, and then there's an option says question, type a question here. So I want to select multi-choice questions. Let me give some question over here. These are the questions I already prepared, so I'm giving the same questions. All ABCD option I have given over here. I need to type the correct answer, which is the correct answer. So in this case, A is the correct answer, and I need to hit submit. Question created. I want to add more question in this midterm quiz. So let's set true false. For this, so I'm giving correct answer A. This question also created. I want to give some short answer question. So let's give any question about the DBMS. What is DBMS? And then if I have any correct answer, I need to update that. If not, then I need to only hit the submit button. You can click filling the blanks. For creating a blank space, you need to use this keyboard key. You can give acid kind of questions. You can give matching questions. You can give true false. There are lots of options here. So now I want to see how my quiz look like. So let's go on assessment, that is on dashboard page, then the view assessment. Let's take software engineering quiz, midterm quiz, view. So these all are the questions which I have created. So this is a page where instructor can come and see how his question paper look like, and then when they will hit the submit test button, this test will created on the assessment page where student can come and do give this quiz before the due date. We have one more feature in our application that's called view grades. In the view grades, so in the assessment view grade page, we need to select the course name, then the assessment type. Let's select quiz, then get assessment. Here we need to select the test name. So here you can see the student names, which is James, John, Logan, and the total number of questions. There are 10 questions, the correct answers they have given, and the incorrect answers, and the grade based on their result. So this is the overall application, which called Savvy. Every link in the Savvy works. If I want to go on Facebook page, I need to click on Facebook. If I want to go on home page, this is the home page. If I want to go see the contact details, it will take me on the contact detail page. Help will also take me on the contact detail page. I can see my name, and there are some extra points which we have added. In this application, we have added some extra features because it's the release 1. We don't have a student view right now, but we have the grading system, which is connected to the database. The extra point which we have added is professor can see their name over here. It is connected to the database, which is connected to sign in on the login page, and basically a sign in page where professor gives their name. The question types in the quiz, we have different types of questions. So in quiz, we have multiple choice question, true, false, match the following, CSS, filling the blanks, and short answer questions. So we have 6 types of question. For creating this, we use a special function so that when you click on one, you will get one question only. When you click again on this, you will get again this question, and each time question will create and store in the database. In the Savvy, we use the try and catch to detect the error. We use notification alert. Whenever you create a module, you will get a module created alert or the test created alert. In the Savvy, we have if the module is created with a name, you can by the same professor. You are not allowed to use the same name again. So we use that features also. Here, the most important feature of Savvy is when you go on home page and you want to create a quiz. This is our dashboard page. In the dashboard page, I'm going in the create assessment. I can select any of the course name, and then I'm selecting the quiz. In the quiz, I need to give some name of that quiz. So let's take fall semester 1 quiz name is, then the due date, as we are choosing for every assessment. So now we need to choose a file where we kept all the templates. So this is the file where I am having the template. So I have uploaded that. Now I'm creating the quiz. It says quiz created, which is an alert. So after that, I need to go on a home page and I need to view the assessment. Course name, assessment type. In the get assessment, I have all the options, but as we remember, we have created semester 1. So if we go on view, we can see all the questions. This is our template, and you can match each question, and the options are here. So a student can select, a teacher can, the question, what is the question paper is looking like. So this is the page for that. So this is the overall application of Sabi. This is the first release of our application Sabi, and we hope in future we will upgrade this application with the students view also. So thank you so much. In our application Sabi, as I showed you earlier, we have all the codes which I have created in Visual Studio Code, which is the Microsoft application, one of the Microsoft applications. So I have created all the codes over here, and these are all the codes. So let me show you the database which we used for Sabi. So I used PHP my admin. So in that I have created one folder which is a name, one database which is a Sabi DB. In that we have different tables, and as these tables has some columns, you can see over here the structure of these tables, and all the details are coming from here in the test info. Everything is here. We have created only using the HTML, CSS and PHP and MySQL. So this is the application which you can create without any cost, and it's very easy to create if you know some of the logics of HTML, CSS and PHP. If you don't know, it's easy to learn, because I have created this application within a week, and I think I can improve this application in future versions. If you want to see how I have created this application end to end and step by step, you can see my upcoming videos where I'm going to show you each and every code which I have used in this application, and logics and data schema, everything which I have prepared for this application, prototype, user manual, and the codes, script, everything I'm going to show you in my upcoming videos. So please keep on watching channel. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.